How to draw in CapCut PC. So if you want to draw in CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut. Once it opens, meanwhile, you need to search for Paint and open up your Paint 3D application. Once you open up your Paint 3D, now you need to just go with New section. Now you need to go with Canvas, which is on the top. And here you need to turn on the transparent canvas option. And after that, you can go with the colors, the brushes, and just select any color that you like and then start drawing. Once you start drawing, then once you've finished, what you need to do, just go with menu, which is on the upper left, and then go with save as, image, and select the folder in which you would like to save it, and then click on save. Now, once you've saved, what you need to do is just simply go with your CapCut. Now, on your CapCut, what you need to do is just simply go with import, which is on the upper left. And once you click on import, you can select the image that you've just downloaded. Click on open, and here you can drag and drop the image, and that's it. That's how you can draw in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.